Hello, welcome to another episode of Draw with me. Today we're gonna look at the cross section of a leaf. So, this is a piece of leaf. What cross section means that if I take a piece of scissors, cut it in this direction, and we view it under a microscope from this direction. So what you are going to see is a cross section of the leaf. Right, now the diagram looks like this. So on the top and the bottom layer, the waxy part of the leaf, it is known as the cuticle. So this is a waxy layer. It is not made of cells, and the purpose is to prevent excess water loss of a leaf. Beneath the cuticle, we have what we know as our upper epidermis. So epidermis, you can always think of it as like a skin layer, so the protective layer. Now, beneath our upper epidermis, we have palisade mesophyll layer. Beneath the palisade mesophyll layer, we have also another mesophyll layer, plant cells with chloroplasts. There are air spaces between them, so we call this layer as the spongy mesophyll. Beneath the spongy mesophyll, that's lower epidermis, and you have the cuticle layer. Again, it's a waxy layer. The differences between upper epidermis and lower epidermis is that in the lower epidermis, you would find some cells. These cells are known as the guard cells. They are actually guarding the space in the middle, is known as the stomata. So the stomata is the site where gas exchange of the plants to happen, where plants can release oxygen and take in carbon dioxide, which is the gas they need for photosynthesis. So the only cells that have chloroplasts in the whole of leaf are the mesophyll layer and also the guard cells. If you notice the veins of the leaf, that is actually the vascular bundle. That's where the xylem and phloem are. So think of them as tubes that help the plants transport water and also food and minerals. You would find it somewhere near the spongy mesophyll. So there you go. Thank you. See you in the next one.